Hi, today I'm front of me OPPO A77s and I'll show you how to link or link Google Assistant from Power Key button on this device. So let's first open the settings, then scroll down to the system settings. Click here to power button section, then to press and hold power key, and you'll see here selected the power menu and voice assistant. Switch power menu to voice assistant. Now let's press and hold the power key. So just when you use Google Assistant from power key, to turn off your device, to power it off, you should press power button and volume up button together. Oh, let's just unlock it. So tap here to next. Got it. Now let's press and hold to the power key button and we can see that the Google Assistant is activated. To turn it off, switch voice assistant to power menu, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.